Hi, my name's Scott. I'm with Butler RV Center. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough on the new unit from Forest River. This is their newest floor plan. It's called a 294 GEBG. This is a unique floor plan. Nobody has it yet. As you can see, it's a nice sized trailer. It has blue LED lights for the outside stereo speakers, blue LED lights under the power awning. This unit has a nice bathroom with an outside entrance. So as you can see into here, it has a glass shower, entrance into the bedroom, entrance into the hallway to go into the living area. Also, what's unique about it is you get this nice big outside kitchen back here. This unit has a double door fridge, an ice maker, and a cooktop. Now when we go into the inside, you'll see why it's such a unique floor plan. As you can see back here in the rear, this is where it becomes unique. You got an actual queen bed loft in this unit. And then around the corner in this room, you got two bunk beds. So you can sleep mom and dad, and you can sleep kids. Then you got the fireplace. That's a 1500 watt heater. A U-shaped dinette that goes down to a nice bed. Then you got a jackknife sofa. And this has a lot of living space in it. As you can see, there's a nice sized living room here along with all the sleeping. This has a built-in pantry right here. TV is in a great viewing location where it can be seen from everywhere. It's not where you have to crink your neck and look at a front wall. It's angled so everybody can see it from here on back. This is a all 12 volt refrigerator. It's a bigger refrigerator. It's actually a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. And what's nice about this being a 12 volt refrigerator is this unit comes with a 50 amp solar panel already installed on the roof. So you have unlimited 12 volt power. So this will run all the time, even if you're dry camping. Then when we walk down the hallway, we come into the master bedroom. This is a 50 by 74 queen bed. It has hanging storage on the sides, storage up above. The bed lifts up for storage underneath the bed. You got USB ports on either side of the bed and 110 outlets. Come see this Cherokee 294 GEBG and all of our other great units here at Butler RV Center.